first experiment. For this experiment, we need pepper powder, a white and flat plate, a glass of water and dishwashing soap. Pour the water into the plate. Sprinkle some pepper powder on top of the water. Now touch the water with your fingertip. Nothing happens, right? Dip your fingertip into some dish soap and keep it on the water. Did you observe that? Let's do another experiment. For this experiment, we need hot water, cold water and some watercolors. To differentiate between the hot water and cold water, you can mix different colors. I am using red for the hot water. And yellow for the cold water. Let's try to put the hot water glass on top of the cold water glass. While I was turning the glass, I spilled some water. But still you can see the hot water is on top and the cold water is on bottom because the hot water is lighter than the cold water. I turned the glass upside down. Everything got mixed. Aren't the experiments fun? Hope you had fun. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.